Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Joby, the Natural Gearhead, and that is my 2004 Silverado. I'm gonna show you how to pull these doors off and how easy it is. Let's check it out. All right, let's get in here. So, let's say you want to replace your door here because it's damaged. I'm going to open both of these up. Don't mind the mess. This truck's getting parted out. I'm just using it for an LS swap. So what you're going to need is 10mm socket, shallow well, maybe an extension. You don't have to have power tools, but they help. So I recommend the Milwaukee 1/4" ratchet. Flathead screwdriver, maybe a pick, and I'll show you why here in a second. So we're gonna go right down in the door hinge here, and I'm gonna show you what we're doing. All right, guys, so coming in the door hinge, so you're gonna take out this 10mm, this 10mm on the hinge here, on this side, and a 10mm here. Those are the 3 bolts we're working with. But before we do that, we wanna come in, you got your harness right here, and we wanna come in and pop this rubber boot off and get in here to this plug. So I'm just going to come in with my screwdriver and kind of pop this rubber boot off. I'm trying to do it one-handed. Okay. Then we got to get this clip out. Sorry for the bad camera action here. So we'll see if we can get this out. Get in here to this. Give me 1 second. All right, so that harness comes in through here, comes around, and goes right up into this little side panel. You would have popped that panel off. Mine doesn't have it. So just pull this kick panel out of the way a little bit. It just pops loose. So figure out what harness. Looks like it's going to be these 2. It's got a little detent there that you push. It pops out. You're going to slide your harness down out of the way. Looks like it's got a clip right here. Just pop the clip off. Just use your screwdriver there, or whatever you got. So now that harness should pull right around through here and out. So just kind of beat it with one hand and pull it with the other. And that's it. We got the harness loose. So you just tuck that out of the way. Right there ought to do it. You'll take your 10mm. And pull these 3 bolts out I was telling you about. Now, when you take this bolt out, you've seen that door kind of go out a little bit. It's gonna let that hinge out more, so be careful. I don't have fenders on this truck for it to hit or anything. Just be careful. Got your 3 bolts out. Stick this back over here because it just didn't want to stay apparently. Just jam that in. So now you got all 3 of those bolts out and it's loose. So now you'll just lift this door up. You see how that moves? And that door will just come right off. So we can go ahead and pull it off, I guess. Just like that. So set her down on the ground. Sometimes you can use if you want, use a chair, whatever, to kind of pick it up, set it on the chair and roll it out, or have a helper, have somebody help you pull it off. But anyway, that's all there is to it, guys. So I appreciate you watching, and hopefully this video helped you out. It was quick, easy, no big deal, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.